Welcome everyone to another exciting video. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the brand new 2026 Ford Mini Tractor. This latest innovation from Ford isn't just a utility machine, it's a symbol of modern agricultural transformation. Compact, powerful and smart, this mini tractor is designed to meet the demands of small to medium farms, orchards, vineyards and even personal land care tasks. Let's talk about what makes this mini tractor so special and why it's capturing attention all across the agricultural world. Starting with the design, the 2026 Ford Mini Tractor boasts a sleek, compact body built for agility and convenience. It has a rugged steel frame with a streamlined hood and ergonomic seat placement that puts operator comfort first. The design is not only eye-catching with the bold Ford blue and chrome accents, but also entirely functional. Every angle and feature is crafted to enhance visibility, safety and balance in all kinds of terrain. Under the hood, the mini tractor is powered by a next-generation 25 horsepower diesel engine. This engine is fuel efficient, meets the latest emission standards and delivers enough torque for a wide range of tasks, whether it's plowing, tilling, hauling or mowing. With advanced fuel injection and cooling systems, it ensures durability and performance even under tough working conditions. Ford's engineers have fine-tuned the powertrain to minimize vibrations and maximize smooth operation. Let's talk about transmission. The 2026 Ford Mini Tractor comes equipped with an 8 forward 2 reverse gear transmission that offers excellent control whether you're working on flat fields or uneven terrain. It also includes a hydrostatic steering system which allows for effortless turns, making it perfect for tight farm spaces and precision tasks. Now moving on to functionality, this tractor is built with versatility in mind. It supports multiple attachments such as front loaders, rotary tillers, cultivators, sprayers and more, with a universal quick attach system. Whether you're a small farmer, a landscaper or a garden enthusiast, this machine can be adapted for countless applications. The 3-point linkage system at the back allows for seamless connection to various tools, and the PTO shaft is designed to deliver consistent power to rear implements. Another highlight is the operator platform. The seat is fully adjustable with armrests and suspension support. The steering wheel and dashboard are ergonomically aligned to reduce operator fatigue even during long working hours. The digital display offers real-time info like engine RPM, fuel level, temperature and maintenance alerts, making it easier for operators to keep everything under control. The 2026 Ford Mini Tractor also emphasizes safety. It includes rollover protection, a seatbelt system, emergency shutdown switch and all-around LED lighting for early morning or late evening operations. Ford hasn't just built a machine, they've crafted an experience where every detail supports productivity without sacrificing safety or comfort. Connectivity is another exciting feature. This mini tractor comes with an optional smart farming package which includes GPS navigation, task planning and even mobile app sync, so you can monitor performance, schedule maintenance and optimize work efficiency from your smartphone. This digital leap takes the humble tractor into the realm of smart agriculture, making it ideal for modern farms that rely on data-driven decisions. Let's not forget about maintenance. Ford has made sure that daily checks and long-term servicing are incredibly easy. The hood opens wide for full engine access, filters and fluid points are color-coded and labeled, and the tractor comes with a service manual that uses easy-to-understand diagrams and maintenance reminders. All this adds up to reduced downtime and a longer machine lifespan. In terms of pricing, while official numbers may vary by region and package, the 2026 Ford Mini Tractor is expected to be competitively priced for the small tractor segment with excellent financing and warranty support. Ford is also planning to roll out exclusive support centers for spare parts and service, especially in rural regions, to ensure that customers get uninterrupted assistance throughout their ownership. Overall, this mini tractor is not just a new model, it's a fresh chapter in Ford's agricultural legacy. It combines classic Ford durability with modern engineering technology and style, making it a must-have for anyone looking to get serious about productivity on a compact scale. Whether you're a farmer, gardener, contractor, or landowner, the 2026 Ford Mini Tractor is built to handle your toughest challenges with ease and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Tell us what you think about this new Ford Mini Tractor and what feature impressed you the most. Stay tuned for more powerful machine reviews and farm tech updates.